Hello children, good morning. How are you? Today children, I am giving you English 2 lesson number 3 Kabuliwala question answers. So these questions you have to write in copy in neat and clean writing. Question number 1. Why does the narrator say that his daughter cannot live without talking? Answer is, the narrator says that Minnie cannot live without talking because she keeps on chattering the whole day. She moves on from one subject to another rapidly. Minnie's mother has to coax Minnie to keep quiet. Second question. What kind of relationship did Minnie share with the Kabuliwala? Answer is, Minnie can share her thoughts and chatter with the Kabuliwala. Kabuliwala is fond of Minnie because she reminds him of his own daughter back in his country. Now question number 3. Why do you think Minnie's mother was not particularly fond of the Kabuliwala? Answer is, Minnie's mother thought that the Kabuliwala, being a person from a different class and culture, was an evil person. Now question number 4. Why was the Kabuliwala arrested? Kabuliwala was arrested because he had fought with the narrator's neighbor who could not repay his debts, and he had also struck the man. Now question number 5. What happened when the Kabuliwala was freed from jail? Answer is, when Kabuliwala was freed from the jail, he came up to Minnie's house to meet her before he went away to his country. It was Minnie's marriage ceremony, and the narrator said that he couldn't meet him. Kabuliwala showed the narrator the imprints of the fingers of his own daughter. Narrator was touched by this, and he sent for Minnie, who couldn't recognize Kabuliwala. Question number 6. Why do you think Minnie failed to recognize the Kabuliwala? Answer is, Minnie had no memory of the Kabuliwala. She had interacted with her when she was very young. Now children, B part, before it was A part. Answer the following with reference to context. Number A. Who is the narrator referring to in this line? Answer is, narrator is referring to Kabuliwala. B. How did the narrator recognize him? Answer, the narrator could not recognize the Kabuliwala at first because he was changed, but the narrator recognized him at once when he smiled. Number C. Why did the person return? Answer is, he had returned to meet Minnie before going away to his own country. Now second A. Why did the Kabuliwala's face fall? The Kabuliwala became unhappy because the narrator had said that he couldn't meet Minnie. Number B. Why do you think the Kabuliwala returned with almonds and raisins? Answer is, the Kabuliwala returned with almonds and raisins because He thought that Minnie would be happy to receive the gift. He had imagined Minnie to be a little child even after such a long time. Number C. What does this line say about the Kabuliwala? The Kabuliwala is a kind-hearted person. He isn't ready to believe that Minnie has grown up to be a woman. Number 3. A. Who said the above words and to whom? Answer is the Kabuliwala said these words to narrator. B. Why was the speaker offered money? The narrator had offered money to the Kabuliwala for the nuts. Number C. Why did he refuse to take the money? Answer is the Kabuliwala refused to take money because Minnie reminded him of his own daughter. Now children, C. Think, discuss and answer. The narrator gave the Kabuliwala money to return home. What does that say about the narrator? Answer is the narrator is an understanding and endearing person. He understands the Kabuliwala's sentiments and pain at being separated from his daughter. Fatherly feelings unite the Kabuliwala and the narrator.